In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Whether you need a quick backup, want to analyze your data in a spreadsheet, or share a clean list with your team, this simple workflow will get your contacts out of Pipedrive in a couple of clicks. First, open the Contacts area from the left-hand sidebar. This brings up your main contact list, complete with columns like name, organization, email, and more. At the top of the list, you might see filters or search criteria already applied. Keep in mind, whatever you see on this screen is exactly what can be exported. So if you only need a certain segment, say, contacts with open deals or a specific owner, make sure that view is active before you move on. If you just need everything visible, you're all set. Next, look to the top right of the contact list table for the 3 dots icon. This is the More menu that houses additional actions. Click it to open the dropdown. From here, choose Export Filter Result. This command tells Pipedrive to package the contacts that match your current view and prepare them as a downloadable file. It's fast and it respects your current filters and the scope of what you're viewing. You'll now be asked to pick a file format, Excel or CSV. Choose Excel if you plan to open the file directly in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and prefer a formatted workbook. Choose CSV if you need a lightweight, universal format that works with almost any system or data tool. CSV is great for imports into other apps and for large lists. Excel is great for quick reviews, sorting, and formatting. If your data includes special characters, both formats handle them well, but CSV may require you to confirm the right encoding when opening in certain tools. Once you confirm the format, Pipedrive generates the file and saves it to your default downloads location. You can keep the default name or use a clear naming convention that includes the date and any key filter so you always know what's inside later. This small habit makes tracking and sharing exports much easier. And that's it. Click Contacts, open the 3 dots menu, select Export Filter Result, and choose Excel or CSV. Handle the file carefully if it contains personal information, and keep your exports organized so you can find them when you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.